Hello po, good day. Balito na po yung inyong order for the original Nintendo 3DS regular white variant natin. So our stylus, nandito lang po siya sa likod, inserted. Ayan. And then, on na po natin yung ating unit. Pakita ko lang din pala yung charging ng inyong unit. So just beside this blue light sa ilalim, once you plug in your charger, magkakaroon po ng orange light. So pakita ko lang din. Ayan. So this indicates that our unit is charging. Now we have here yung ating Twilight menu application. This application would allow you to play all games like Nintendo DS games. Meron na rin po kami mga Nintendo DS games installed for you. And we also have yung ating HShop application naman where it would allow you to download 3DS games directly online. Now, yung for our buttons. By the way, this order pala is going to Malabon City, Metro Manila. So, our LR button. Ayan. And then our ADXY, directional buttons, and our select part. All good. Then, for the 3DS games, we have here around 50 to around 80 plus games na naka-install. 3DS games. So, marami na rin po kayo mga 3DS games that you can also choose and play with. Nandito yung mga Mario games natin. Ayan. Dragon Ball, Pokemon, Kirby, Zelda, and maraming pa po ba. So, you just need to open yung naka-gift wrap din. So, let's open one of the game na parating hinahanap, which is one of the Pokemon games. Now, I'll also be sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. Ayan. So, okay na po yung in-order. Bali, papak na lang namin ito. Then, wait na lang din namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!